Welcome to the advanced world of random packing. Let's discuss how random packing works, its diverse applications, and why Stanford Advanced Materials is your premier partner for high-quality random packing solutions. Random packing is the strategic placement of filtration material within a distillation column. Designed to maximize surface area for reactant contact while simplifying column construction. Known for its exceptional acid and heat resistance, random packing stands up to a variety of inorganic acids, organic acids, and organic solvents, excluding hydrofluoric acid. This versatile technique is widely used across the chemical industry, metallurgy, and in the operation of drying, absorption, washing, and regeneration towers. With options including ceramic, plastic, and metal fillers, random packing is adaptable to both high and low temperature environments. This versatile technique is widely used across the chemical industry, metallurgy, and in the operation of drying, absorption, washing, and regeneration towers. With options including ceramic, plastic, and metal fillers, random packing is adaptable to both high and low temperature environments. Choose Stanford Advanced Materials for random packing solutions. We're here to help you select the perfect random packing for your needs. Visit us at www.samaterials.com to explore our products and learn how we can contribute to your success.